Hey, how's it going? Dave here on the Trucker Pass channel. We've got an awesome video for you today. We're going to talk about the best apps for truckers, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be talking about the best apps for truckers. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. That way you get updates every time we upload a new video. Okay, so the first app that we're going to talk about is the Weigh My Truck app by Cant Scale. Really useful app. You probably already heard of it. It's really popular right now. We actually covered it in a video that we released not long ago called How to Slide Your Tandems. If you haven't checked it out, give it a watch. It's a really good video, and it goes into detail and shows you exactly how it works. The main thing about this app is that it allows you to drive onto a scale and it automatically reads whatever scale you're at, and it will send the axle weights to your truck, so you don't have to worry about running inside, getting your scale ticket, coming back out, sliding your tandems if need be, and doing it all over again. So it'll save you a lot of time. Okay, so the next app that we're going to talk about is the truck stop app that I use. It's called All Stays Truck and Travel, and it's a really helpful app. As you can see here, it gives you sort of a view kind of like Google Maps, and it will, according to your settings that you've picked for the filter, will display whatever you're looking for. Me, I just leave everything selected. Some people might not like all that on their screen, but you can see it shows you low clearances. It can show you all the different truck stops, weigh stations, rest areas, Lowe's, Walmart, etc., etc. And it's really good because if you select one of these, it will pull up all the information for that particular location, this truck stop. And it also gives you some options. It'll give you the phone number. It will give you the ability to send this to either Apple Maps, as you can see here, which I don't use, or Google Maps, which really is the next app that we're going to talk about. I'm actually going to pass you guys over to my friend, the Drone Trucker, who's going to go into details about Google Maps and the truck stop app that he uses. So let's just go ahead and check with him. He should be right over here at this truck stop, and we will load this up into Google Maps and zoom in a little bit. Have a good one.
What's happening, everybody? It's your pal, the Drone Trucker. Hey, David, everything's going good over here. It's beautiful weather, sunshine, about 80-some degrees. But also, we're going to discuss about the trucker apps for the Android phone. Google Maps is a very, very good one to use. It helps out to see the satellite image, and there's just a lot of features on it. I got some other personal apps that I use that is amazing, that's helped me over the 8 years of driving truck. So stay tuned, let's get to it. What's going on, everybody? It's your pal, the Drone Trucker. We are going to go over a screen recording of the apps that I use. So let's get into it. So the first app that we're going to do is Trucker Path. Trucker Path is a very great app. It helps, shows truck stops, Walmarts, locations on scale houses, a little bit of everything you need. It's also powered by Google, so that helps out a lot. So let's see here. Okay, so right now I'm choosing a Pilot Travel Center. Okay, it goes to the location, it tells you the exit number, gives you any information of how many spots available. It tells you lots of spots. You can see it tells you, it helps with directions, how many parking spots are there. It gives you like any information about the truck stop, and it also gives you on reviews, which is very helpful because you may go to a truck stop and it just ain't a good truck stop. So it kind of helps you. Also lets you know if there's any scales or any extra services there. And then of course you go to the reviews, and it tells you all the stuff you need to know about it. So, and then whenever you want to go to that location, you hit the direction button and it takes you right to where you are, and it shows where the truck stop's at, and then it's powered by Google. Then you also want to trust your judgment on Google Maps. Google Maps is also just for cars. So in this one right here, you got the reviews. Okay, now we're going to do Google Maps. Alright, so Google Maps has a lot of features. It shows where you're at, has all your places that you've been, messages. It has some it shows offline maps, Google Earth. It also has a lot of information on different areas. And it has 3 settings: default, satellite, and terrain. I usually use satellite a lot, but at the same time I use the default because with the satellite you get all this information right here, but the default's a little bit easier to read. Also, it can show you like traffic in areas. It tells you all this information. It also has what's nearby, where you've been. You can explore different things. You can explore, restaurants near you, activities near you, gas stations, and more. So it has a lot of extra features on it. So now we're going to do the LoveZap. LoveZap is a very good app. We get all our fuel at Love's a lot of times. It shows you the shower check-in, which is nice because you can check in for a shower out at your truck. It's got your wallet, which is like if you have your debit card or stuff like that attached to it. And also it's also got a route planner. Route planner is very nice. You can show your location. You can pick a city or state. Like in this one, we're doing Cartersville, Georgia. And then it'll show you along the route on what Loves are nearby. So you can see as right here, you got all these Loves along the route that I'm going down to Cartersville, which is really nice. So you can kind of plan your trip out. Love's is a very big truck stop, very well clean. I mean, it's just I approve Love's all the way. So you can see it's all over the country. And then also you can go into different Love stops on this app, and then you can check their the diesel price if you're owner operator. Tells you the showers, tells you when they're busy, not busy. Like this one, it says available now, 1 shower, and they have 7. So it's nice. It also has your truck tire care, private showers, parking, Wi-Fi, just a little bit of everything. And then also it has the restaurants. So if you like Subway, they got Subway. If you like Chester's, they got Chester's. So it's a very nice app to use. So, and also another thing that I use out here is Hulu. I use Hulu and Netflix, which is a very nice entertainment app out here that, because out here on the road, you don't have TV, you don't have all this, technology out here. So if you have a good cell phone, a good data plan, I highly suggest to get Netflix, Hulu. I got the Hulu Live, which is really nice. So So yeah, so that's a list of the apps that I use out here. But there's a but also make sure when you're using Google Maps, don't trust it. It's meant for a car, so use your better judgment on choosing your route. But it does help you kind of pinpoint compared to looking at an atlas. But at the same time, don't hesitate to use an atlas. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't hit that bell notification button, hit that bell notification button for future videos. And have a wonderful day.